Welcome to this exciting video about using Google Bard and comparing it with ChatGPT. In today's video, we will be exploring the features and functionalities of Google Bard and comparing them with ChatGPT to help you understand the differences and choose the right tool for your needs. Now, let's compare the two tools based on some key factors. User interface. Both tools have user-friendly interfaces, but Google Bard has a more visual and interactive interface. You can see the generated text in real time and edit it as needed. ChatGPT has a more traditional text-based interface, but it is still easy to use and navigate. Speed. Both tools are fast and can generate text in real time. However, Google Bard is slightly faster than ChatGPT when it comes to generating short pieces of text like poetry or lyrics. Accuracy. While both tools are highly accurate, Google Bard is better suited for creative writing tasks, while ChatGPT is better suited for factual tasks. If you need help with creative writing or want to generate poetry, Google Bard is the way to go. However, if you need help with research or want to get answers to your questions, ChatGPT is the better choice.